Everyone. This is a video to help you guys kind of teach you how to properly cite in our discussion. With this flipped model type of classroom, our discussion suddenly becomes increasingly more important. The way that we converse back and forth is important to help us really master what we are learning and kind of cement that into our minds a bit. Okay, so this is just the discussion that is in your directions for this first little module, and it's aspects of language discussion. I'm going to click on that, and the question is, what is language, what is it not? Remember to comment on others' work and use citations from your textbook to back up your own thoughts. So I am just going to answer that, okay? This is a very, very simplified version of what I want you guys to do, but I am going to simply say language is spoken and heard. The textbook, let me see. The textbook says that this is called receptive and expressive language. Okay. When children are acquiring language, they are developing 5 different aspects of language. Okay, I got these 2 terms off of page 3, so I'm going to put that in there. And then I'm going to go through and explain this more, and I'm going to say this was off of page 4. Okay, so I'm going to go through and cite my ideas like that. And then at the very bottom here, I am going to, using the APA standard of citation, Otto Beverly language development and early childhood education, and I'm going to cite all of that out, and that's what I'm going to put at the very bottom, knowing that this information came out of this particular book. Now, is this enough? No. Is this college writing? Not really at all. But that is how I want your comments and your discussion to look. When you go ahead and comment on a peer's thoughts, if you say, I completely disagree, that's okay, but you've got to be able to cite it out of your textbook and say, look, this quote says this or that. In your chapter reflections, you're writing down 10 quotes. Those quotes are just to prep you for this discussion. You are meant to use those 10 quotes in this discussion. It's just meant to have them easier for you on hand right there to use. So that hopefully helps you on what I'm looking for in this discussion and properly citing, so we know exactly where out of the text that you found that information. Again, if you need anything, please let me know, and I'll see you guys in a couple of days.